Hi there, I'm Wick, and in this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of downloading Google Offline Maps. Before we begin, make sure you have the Google Maps app installed on your device. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Maps app on your smartphone or tablet. Look for the recognizable app icon, and tap on it to launch the application. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture, usually located in the top left or right corner of the screen. This will open a side menu with various options. Scroll down and select Offline Maps. Now, you'll see a list of previously downloaded maps, if any. To download a new map, tap on Select Your Own Map, or maybe it will different with yours, depending on your device. This will allow you to choose the area you want to download. Here's the cool part. You can either use your fingers to zoom in and out of the map to select the desired area, or you can search for a specific location using the search bar at the top. Once you've found the area you want, tap on Download. After downloading the offline map, you can give your offline map a custom name to make it easier to identify later. You can also select the storage location for the map, especially if your device has external storage options. Great! Your map has been downloaded successfully. To access your offline maps, go back to the main menu and select Offline Maps once again. You'll now see your newly downloaded map listed there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy traveling with your offline maps.